AI is about to take over, and I'm not even kidding.
You cut off your friend for missing your birthday dinner, but not the man who forgot your birthday?
Literally, I could be an AI right now, or I could be AI and I don't know, it's crazy. Hi guys, good morning. I literally just woke up and I just dropped into the camera because I got shocking news, a news that shocked me to my boomers, and I'm like, hell, that is not real. Like, that is not real. So there's this lady I've been following for a while now, and I love her because she does this food content, she eating in the camera, like in front of the camera and all of that. And I just got the news that she's not a real human being, that's an AI. And I'm like, hell, that is a lie. Please tell me it's a lie. And I just found out that it's actually true. She's not a human being, she's an AI. Literally, like, somebody wake me up. I mean, I just literally woke up and I haven't even washed my face because this news is so shocking. Can you imagine that? I'm telling you guys, AI is about to take over. It's about to take over in everything, literally. Cause tell me how this video I'm about to play right now is not a real human being. Just tell me.
Hey Laquifa, looks like your baby daddy ended up at my crib again. You better buy a leash if you don't want him here no more because he's always running to me. Bye boo.
You see what I mean? Is it not scary? Like, this is so scary. It is so scary. And the worst thing is that, like, when I had to do more research and I found out that there are lots of them out here that they're literally filling the streets. So don't be shocked when you find out that your favorite influencer or someone you watch or your favorite YouTuber is not a real human being, it's an AI. Can you imagine that? You know, I was thinking we're dealing with the robots, like we're still handling the robots thing, and now we have AI to deal with. Imagine this AI server gets integrated into this robot. We're gonna have like a full-time human being who knows everything, who is so intelligent. This shit is crazy, guys. It's so crazy. Now look at another one. This girl casually talking on her bed, like she's laying in her bed and she's just like talking like a real human being. I mean, it's so scary. It looks like a human being until you do full-time analytics, analyze everything, the hands, the thing, and all of that. You find out that this is not a real human being, and it takes time. My mom would never know. I'm definitely sure if someone uses my face for AI and maybe me doing something really terrible or bad in the video and shows it to my mom, she's never gonna believe that I am not the person in that video, because I, a Gen Z, can't even believe that this person that I've been watching for a very long time is not a real human being until someone pointed out some things, such as like maybe the hand gestures or the hand not being complete and a lot of things. And I'm like, wow, I was shocked. I literally, I am being honest with you guys. I woke up this morning and I got the news. My friend and I were just talking about her, and I'm like, oh my gosh, she's my favorite influencer, da 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 da. I was like, she is not a real human being, she's an AI. And I'm like, no way. No freaking way.
Out here! Y'all, they better be fine.
Guys, AI is becoming so scary. I mean, am I the only one not getting scared here? Are you not scared? I can't imagine what the future looks like, what it's going to be like. I just hope this does not put us in trouble, because man, very soon we're going to be having court cases, and this is what's going to happen in the courtroom. Someone is going to say, play a video of someone killing a dog or something like that, and the person's going to be like, oh, that's not me, that's an AI, it's not me. A lot of people are going to start giving excuses for various things and blaming it all on AI very soon. I mean, that's the future I'm seeing. That's the future I'm kind of intercepting right now, because this is crazy. This is another level of crazy. Because I'm so shocked finding out that that person is not a human being. I kind of suspected, because the way she was eating the chicken, tossing it all in her mouth all at once, I'm like, can a real human being do this? There's some crazy videos I see online and I'm like, what? So guys, this is your sign not to believe everything you see online, because crazy things are happening nowadays. So I'm just gonna go, finish my coffee, go have my bath, because I haven't even had my bath. I'm just like, I'm gonna share this with you all because it is crazy. It is mind-blowing. I mean, don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not saying artificial intelligence is bad, because I use it sometimes. Of course, I use ChatGPT. Who doesn't nowadays? And I use it for the good, for the bad, for whatever. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying it's bad, but it's just scary. It's seeing the things that some of these AI features can do. It's just mind-blowing. And I just hope people do not use it for negative things, because you know how the world revolves, you know how the world is. I just hope people do not use it for negative things and they use it for more of good stuff, because there's a lot of good that needs to be done in the world that we live in today. So I'm just hoping for that, and I'm not really hoping for the bad. So yeah, let's keep a positive room. Let's keep a positive mindset right here, okay? So guys, like I said, this is your sign not to believe everything you see online, okay? Let me go have my bath, finish up this coffee, and I'll see you next time, okay? Bye.